Are you looking for an easy way to capture content with good lighting? I'm Brittany with WTI, and I want to show you my ring light tripod by Nagnahz. It has a phone holder you easily can attach. You can see all of the options on the side, the on-off button. You can change the brightness and the tone. You can also attach this to the tripod stand with a easy to control hinge. I love how smooth it opens up. There are certain parts of my house that just doesn't have great lighting. I can turn it on, control the brightness so I don't have too much shadows. This thing is so tall. It gets up to 80 inches. So this helps me to get shots from above and again, consistent, perfect lighting. My favorite part is that the light can be separated easily by the tripod, and now I can use it not only as a light, but a filming stabilizer. You can also set it up without the phone and use it in conjunction with another tripod. You have the ability to tighten the legs so that you can get it in tight spots. Getting the light overhead allows me to do video conferencing without glares on my glasses. This has been such a game changer, but that's just my point of view.